Hi, it's Patrick with E38. Here I'm going to give a quick explanation of the new Emlid Flow Pro subscriptions. First off, if you already have a Plus Survey subscription, nothing will change for you outside of the name of your subscription is now Pro Individual. If you are a Pro Individual member, you'll need to upgrade to Pro Collaborative for those features. Use our code for 10% off your Pro subscription. The free tier now has satellite background maps, and you can invite up to 10 team members to your workspace for collaboration. This workspace, however, won't have any of the Kogo features that are available in the Pro subscriptions, just collecting and staking out points and basic import and export. The new Collaborative Pro subscription gives your workspace and everyone working in it all of the Kogo features, custom background layers, line work, CAD imports, and every other feature available in Emlid Flow and Flow 360. The workspace owner is the member that will incur the subscription charges for each user added to their workspace. Once you've joined a workspace, you will see the subscription level listed under the workspace name in Flow 360, or when switching between workspaces in the Emlid Flow app. Flow 360 is currently the only place where you can add or deactivate members in your workspace. Here you can also set default project settings for your workspace. This new collaborative ability will allow multiple users to work on the same project simultaneously and give authorship to each user's input. Check back with us soon for more updates to anything in our product catalog.